Hello, to take 3D photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, all you have to do is to go into the Google Play Store and you'll have to search for this application called, let me just show you, as you type in 360 camera. Right here, this is the application Panorama 360 and Virtual Tours. You'll have to download this application because there's like no other way to actually take 360 pictures on this phone. So as you install it, you simply have to install this application and accept some other things like permissions and stuff, and from here you simply go into your camera right here, and as you can see, here's the instruction to hold your phone upright in portrait mode, and you'll have to hold your phone straight in this position, and as you're trying to take a picture, as you can see, you cannot, because you have to put this phone in this straight position. And basically the process of taking this 360 picture is pretty easy, because as you press this button with the correct position, you will simply have to put the circle, like there will be some kind of the circle, and you will simply have to move your camera to this circle. You will see how this process looks, and basically, yeah, that's pretty easy, and that's how to take these pictures. Then you can see them in your gallery, just like this. As you can see, here's this 360 picture, and also you can actually save them in your gallery right here. There is this that's actually a panorama, because I did a panorama previously, but right here is this 360 picture, as you can see. So that's how to do this. There's no other way actually. You have to install this application from your Google Play Store. Thank you for watching.